Hey, it's Davian and welcome back to my channel. So today I am finally going to be able to do a makeup tutorial and actually have time to film it. Previous video, that didn't go according to plan. As you could tell, it was a short little I'm sorry video just because I didn't have time to film. It was just getting back to work and it just went crazy. Ran out of time, didn't know what I was doing. Didn't know if I could actually film this, but I found time and I am going to film this right now. So today I thought I'm going to do my signature blue eye makeup tutorial. So if anyone wants to try doing a blue eye, you can follow along. I don't know whether it's going to be very good, but we'll see how it turns out. So, as I said, I am going to start off with the eyes. I will pan in slightly closer for you. So my camera wasn't allowing me to pan as much as I expected, but here is my face in its full glory without any makeup on, and I'm looking at the screen. But I have had my eyebrows done, so now they're in nice shape, and they're going to look stunning for this look. So first of all, I'm going to start off with my eyes, like I normally do, just in case I get any fallout. Then I can just wipe it away. I normally use an eye primer, but I've actually ran out, so I'm going to have to use a concealer. So what I'm going to use is my Revolution concealers. So these I got in a set. They're not actually that bad. I wouldn't go out and actually buy these, but they're not that bad. But I'm going to go into this colour here and just use it and the mirror on it. To actually just prime my eyelids as much as I can. Let's hope this doesn't turn out horrendously. So, once you have primed your eyes, as you can tell, you can't really see it because it's actually my skin tone. So next, I am going to go into my all-time favourite palette. What is the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. So blue is my signature colour that I do for my makeup. I do use this palette quite a lot. As you can tell, I have hit pan on it. But yes, I'm going to show you how to get my signature blue look using this fabulous Blue Blood palette. Right, I know you're meant to use loads of different brushes, but I normally stick to like just a couple because I don't have time for cleaning all of my brushes when they get stained blue. So, we start off with the actual colour Blue Blood. I use it as a base over the whole eye to see how it turns out. Keep on watching. So don't worry if this is an absolute mess at this point. It doesn't really matter. As long as you have a base down, we can get all of the precision done later on. But I use this colour as a base because I just think it makes all the other colours that I add to it pop quite well and really give a really beautiful dark look, but also with that sense of lightness. So sorry if I'm looking down, I'm looking into the mirror. So this is the main part of the under colour, what's it called, base colour of my eyes. So next I always darken it. I use Blue Monday. What is this? Purpley blue. I'm going to change my brush. So I'm going in for another JS brush, and this is a JS5. I'm going to go into a Blue Monday. I'm not going to put too much on because I don't want to overdo it. But this is just going to go into the corner of my eye. As you can tell, it gives a really nice deep, like, crease. Keep blending until you get the blend that you are looking for. I keep knocking my camera. I am ever so sorry. But keep blending just until you get the blend and colour payoff that you're looking for. This palette is amazing just because of how pigmented it is. You don't actually need a lot. So as you can tell, that's really deepened the crease area on my eyes. Next, I am going to go into Undertaker. What is this? Dark blue in this corner, and I'm going to just use the same brush because, as I said, I don't have that many brushes. So yeah, and then I'm going to just place that in the very far corner of my eye and blend it into the crease, and then up and into the crease. Same on the other side. So this just gives a really dark crease, basically. And this is what I'm looking for. I want it to be sort of like a blue smoky eye. And you'll see this will all come together soon and look sickening. I'm going to go back in to Blue Blood. What is the colour I used first? As you can tell, I love that colour. And I'm just going to blend the outer part of the eye just to give a seamless transition. Because at the moment it is quite a harsh line. So if I keep just building it up, it will give a nice seamless transition. As you can tell, that colour really blended out lovely on that. As you can tell, as you can see, there is a lot of colour and a lot of blends. But remember, this will all come together in the end. I'm actually going to cut the crease as well. I'm not a very good person for cutting the crease, so we'll see how that turns out. The base is done. I am going to cut the crease, what I haven't done for a while, so we'll see how this one turns out. So, to cut the crease, I'm going to go back in to my Revolution palette, and I'm going to use a Morphe brush. It's the M326. This was from the Pride collection. I'm going to go back in with the same colour, and I'm just going to cut the crease. I know people get scared to cut the crease, but do you know what? You just have to go in and go for it. I've done my cut crease now. Next, I'm going to just blur out the ends because I want the middle bit mainly as a cut crease. So I'm going to go in to Blue Blood again. And I'm also going to go in a bit of Blue Monday. And I'm just going to pack that on the outer corner of the eye. It sort of looks like this. Ooh, that's probably the best cut crease I've done in a while. Blend the outer corner. That bit leave as a line because a cut crease is to look cut along your crease. So next, I am actually going to change from my beautiful Blue Blood palette. Is the Mama Mitchell palette. Me, myself, and Mama Mitchell. I love this palette. I've used it so much, but it doesn't even look used, what I love. But I love this palette so much, literally. And I am going to go into, it is Marine. Marine, let me just take this. I love the fact that this mirror comes out. Oh, what an icon. Iconic. I'm going to go into this colour right here next to my finger. So I'm going to go in with a flat brush and cover that cut crease to make it shiny. So as I said, I'm going to go into this shade right here. And I am going to place it onto the eye. I may need a little bit of setting spray because I cannot remember if this comes off very well. Nope, I'll need a little bit of setting spray. I'm going to slightly set this. Oh, girl, there's fucking shit everywhere. And I'm going to go into this Marina again. That's better. It's slightly picked up more now. I'm going to use the mirror that came with this one. And I'm just going to pat on to the eyelid. Stuff the brush, I'm using my finger. So I'm just going to tidy up where it's slightly gone over the line. Just going to brush it away. So that is how shiny and beautiful it is. It is truly a beautiful shade. So I'm just going to tidy it up a little bit because I can see that it's slightly gone up into my eye. But do you know what? More glitter, the better. So I'm going to sweep away some of this fallout. And I'm also going to use the worst thing I could ever use. Use a makeup wipe just to wipe away the excess. Use one of these. Please don't judge me, all you beauty gurus out there. Fabulous. I'm also going to sharpen up this line. So I haven't done this for a while, but I use an end of a brush and I move along so I get a perfect line. You don't need a perfect line, you can have it without, but I'm all for that perfect line, that symmetry. I always got told off for this because they're all the makeup artists. Last time I spoke to one, they're like, don't use a wipe. I'm like, I know, but it leaves Such a beautiful line. So, my eyes are half done. Let me do my foundation and everything, and I will be right back with my finished look. Well, half finished, and we'll finish it off when I come back. So I've done my base of my foundation. I have done a slight bit of contour, but you can't see it in the camera, what's really annoying. Last thing is I'm going to go onto the under eyes. For the under eyes, I will be going back into the Blood Sugar palette. Blood Sugar Blue Blood palette. I'm going to go in with a very thin brush. So I'm going to go in with this small pencil brush. Yes, it is stained red. I can't get the colour out. I'm going to go back in to Blue Monday and Blue Blood, a little bit of each, and I'm just going to go on the inside of the eye, not all the way along though, because it makes you look tired otherwise. Sure, it slightly connects with the line you've done as well. Try and not bump your eye like I just did. So once that is done, I'm going to add a little bit of eyeliner, but just in my waterline, and I'm going to be using the Gucci eyeliner. This one is in colour 040, what is a blue. I will pop it on the back of my hand so you can see. So this is a blue colour, and I'm going to go in to my waterline with this colour. Right, my eyes are watering like hell, so that's enough eyeliner for today. Next thing I am going to do is mascara, and of course I'm going to use the fuck-proof mascara because it's so beautiful and I love it. So it's back in its little case. I'm going to pull it out again. Woo! I'm going to go in with this fabulous mascara. I need a mirror. Where is my mirror? I'm going to be using this mirror, and then this mascara just makes your eyelashes look incredible. I'm actually amazed with it. There is the mascara on. Don't that look like I'm wearing false lashes? Like, I'm sorry, that mascara is fabulous. The last thing I always forget is highlighter. For the highlighter, I'm going to be using another Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I'm going to be using the Skin Frost. This is the limited edition one I got for the Halloween mystery box. The only problem is I actually broke it, so now I've just jammed it in there with a rolling pin, because why not? For the flipping Nora. For this highlighter, I'm going to be using a JS4 brush, what is the highlighting brush from the Morphe X Jeffree Star, and I'm just going to go in and lather that up on my face because, oh, it needs a good amount of pigment, especially with this eye look. So I don't, oh yeah, you can slightly see it. Oh, that light's better than that light because I broke one of my lights. Final thing is lipstick. Thank you all for sticking around in this video. It wasn't the best edited, I know, and it wasn't the best filmed, but I'm going to go in with my final part. What is my lipstick? I'm going to go in with the colour Titanic. What is a dark blue? Well, it's got a shimmer to it. I think it will just look stunning with this look. I love Jeffree Star Cosmetics, but these minis I can't do. I need a long stick to hold a good amount of product. So, this is the completed look. One last thing, I need to get changed. So now I am completely ready for an evening that I'm literally not going anywhere. Thank you everyone so much for watching this video. I wanted this to be a really good edited video, so hopefully it has turned out alright. Thank you everyone for liking, following, subscribing to this channel. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button and like this video, and even click that notification bell because you know it always helps a girl out. You'll know when my videos go live. So thank you everyone so much for watching. I hope you like this really cranky, not very well put together makeup tutorial for this look. It probably hasn't helped much, but I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you all next Wednesday. Bye. I literally just did my whole fucking makeup and I'm taking it off. I am so useless.